Hi, we're going to do a bit of restoration and clean up on a couple of hand drills I've got here. I don't know really much about these. But they're both 2-speed. This one has an internal gearbox. There is a position for a handle, but I don't have the original handle for there. But it does fit that, but I will make one more that matches what should go with it. And to change gear on it, from what I understand is, do that. So that's one gear, and that's the faster one. I think there's a facility for either taking the handle off or not quite sure what that's for. Whether it's to swap it around. But anyway, that's a little job to do on that one. And from what I can tell, this one was painted black. So that's what it'll get, apart from the little bits that'll get polished up. It looked like they were left. I'll see if I can clean up that label. Now this one, this is another 2-speed, but whereas that one's got the gearbox, this one you move the position of the main driving wheel. There's a lock there. So that's 1 speed. And you take that out, put it in the other one, and that gives you an even slower speed. But that needs a new handle there. That looks like whoever's had this before. That's an old screwdriver handle, and an old carriage bolt, and whatever. This one's got a little level in there, so hopefully the glass is still intact. Actually it is, I can see it. I don't know whether the bubble, I see the little bubble in there. Let's see. Oh yes, you can see the little bubble in there. So that's all okay. And this one, if you can't see, was green. So I'm going to paint that the same green as my lathe was painted. So this one's got to have 2 handles. And you see here you can alter the distance of the handle. So I think what we need to do first is take them apart. We'll start by taking this one apart. 2 tubs. That's on a dovetail slide, that, or something like. That's a nice old screwdriver. It's a footprint one. Lovely old thing. Looks like that's bonded in. So for now, I might just leave that there. Right, I'm going to take the end off. And these two drills have both got slightly different chucks on them. This has got a 2 jaw and that's a 3 jaw on that one. I would imagine that that is screwed onto there somehow. Okay, I've got so far as I can get the jaws out. So they're okay. That's just a push fit in there. But I can't seem to get this bit off of here. That could be a press fit of some kind. Could be a screw fit. But I can't get it to turn and I don't want to force it. And I think I can pretty much clean up everything without going that far. So that one's ready to clean up. Now I'll have a look at this one. Don't really want that handle. At least it tells us what thread it is. Although saying that, this one is different. That's got a different thread in there. That's much bigger. I've got to figure out what that is for the bolt that will go in there. Right.
Three springs in it. Okay. I'll leave them in there for now. It's got all the 3 correct springs in there. They can stay for now. They look as though they're pinned in there. I think that shaft, yeah, that shaft is pinned on as well. So let's take these bits off. There's a spring in there, isn't there? There's console gearbox in there. There's a little hint. Under there is some red paint. So I wonder if this body was painted red. But these definitely look like they were painted black. Possibly. So, we'll have to try. I think again a lot of this is just going to be pinned in. There's a pin in there. It doesn't look like there's anything the opposite side. Nope, there isn't. So that isn't going to come apart very easy. this one. I might have to leave this gearbox intact as well. It's not going to be a great problem, but... yeah. Another pin right there. There's only the one in there. Another pin on there. And that one's a 3 pin. So it may be possible to knock that one out. That'd be a punch. Shaft, it's in pretty good condition. That's nice. Shine that. Yep. Oh well. If it's not going to come out, it's not going to come out, is it? Yeah, I don't think I'm going to bother messing around with it. I'll try and get them out. So that's as far apart as they'll come. Okay. Next is take it over to the wire wheel and get things cleaned up. Well, I'm saying that, I think I will try and take this off. Okay, that's that one. There's that paint under there. That looks like something like a silver hammerite. If that is paint. So perhaps that's what that's going to be. And that is red. Oh, look at that. It is red. There and there. There. So perhaps that was red and not black. There's definitely black paint on that. Unless that's somebody's done that after. I'll see if I can clean that up some more. Redo it. Right. I think that could be paint. Okay. Off to the wire wheel.
Okay, that there looks like that is a pin all the way through. Looks like it's been knocked in from that side, so I'm going to knock it back out from that side. That'll make that a lot easier to clean up because that's too big and awkward, so I'm going to have a go at taking that out. Hey, that was quite easy. Let's get the pin out. And that, I thought might have been a solid metal bar. It's just a thin tube. That's surprising. So, let's carry on. Just cleaning this up, and under the paint I've found Stanley number 733. Can't quite read the writing underneath, but alright, this little part here is still proving a little difficult to get off, so I'm going to see if I can heat this up. There's a bull race in there. Oh, look at that. It's a bit gooey in there, so I'm glad I took that off. I can give it a good clean now. Okay. Let all that cool down and clean it. Yeah, that's nice. Pleased with that. That's cleaned up, not too bad. I've just got to get the paint out of here. Lovely. I'm just taking the last pin out of here and get that little thing loose. That's got it. That'll come out. One way or another, that'll come out. Oh, I'm cleaning up the wooden handles. I've took most of the finish off. It was quite flaky on these. This is actually for another drill that I've got another couple of drills that I'm going to do. While I'm at this, I might as well do all the ones that I've got. So this one's off another 2-speed drill. Is this the one? Yes, this one is off another 2-speed, but it's a more modern, up-to-date version, where the other two are old. And another smaller old, I think it's the foreign brand, which is another small drill. I've got the main body for it there, and I've done the handle on that already. I just recently had a coat. I'm putting a darker stain on that one. That's had a bit of a clean up. It's looking quite nice. So down there on the bench is the 2 gear wheels for the 2 newer drills. I haven't painted anything on the other 2 yet. And these ones are just going to get a clear coat of varnish on them, which is what I'm going to do now. Looks like I've got a bit of a skin on that. Okay. There are some marks left on these from, well, they were used with the varnish off or protective coating off, and so there is the odd little mark that's bled through, but I think overall they're going to be okay. This will have a few coats. Get D-nibs between each one. This one here has got that black mark in it. There really isn't anything I can do about that. It will just have to stay. Bit of character to it. So for the other two drills I first started out with, I've got to do new handles for them. I've got some on order. I've ordered them off eBay. So one of them didn't really have any handles at all, so I can make my own design on them, or perhaps just leave them as they come. And the other one is quite an easy one to match because it's quite straight. This is the handle I've got. Just wants a bit of a rub down. I'll put spot varnish on. I'm not going to go too deep into this. If it's got these little marks on, they are going to stay. I think that'll do. rubbish. And then we'll come back when we've got a little bit more to do.